I reported the drive online to the Metropolitan Police and was advised that the register keeper was sent a notice of intended prosecution. I later received an email informing me that the defendant had been summoned and that I may have to attend court. I was subsequently advised that the case went to court and that the driver was fined £418 and received penalty points, most likely 6 points. Transport for London have introduced new rules for taxi and private hire drivers that are prosecuted for motoring offences and/or accumulate points on their licence. If a driver is prosecuted for using a mobile phone whilst driving, their licence is revoked. It is not clear that if they can simply reapply for their licence or if they have to redo the knowledge or take the private hired vehicle test again.